this. And you said like this, right?
Yeah, all the way down.
This isn't a cutting anything.
Ponlo aquí, mira. Más fácil. Ponérselo de ahí para que lo mire.
Yeah, we are in this step.
You know what, try?
No, thank you.
Not that bad actually. This is a little tough here because, you know.
Hold down.
Yeah, go straight.
No, it's just like hard because, you know, we're actually on like the rib cage part, so I have to put more force into it. That's why it's like I'm going slow here.
You can feel the rib cage already?
Rib cage is right here.
Oh.
Here.
Okay.
And then we can, let me just remove this so we can see the full thing now. And then I'm gonna cut through this side.
You can move.
Can you hold this one?
Yep.
So it doesn't get There we go.
I think we need to cut more down.
Yeah.
Cut right down to the table. Now go back here. See the intestine?
Make sure you
go
cut it
into
like,
that.
you know how she was pulling the probe up?
Go up here like this. You want this? And cut down on both sides of the anal region.
It's just so tough.
We can move if you want.
Let me know when you're at the chest incision because that. Huh?
Maybe if I do this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
We can do that more.
You want to open
Yeah.
this a little bit more?
So if this doesn't work out for you, and they usually do, I mean, that's what they do. Huh? You gotta wrap that twice.
Okay.
Now if we do this, there you go.
All right, now, it's gonna take two people to do this. Somebody's gonna do this, okay? The other person's gonna take the scalpel. No pressure on the scalpel, because you're splitting the sternum here. So you're just gonna find one root through here, and you're gonna keep going down through that one root until the entire sternum splits open. And when it splits open, you're gonna see the heart right here.
Okay, thank you.
Let me see. Let me feel this. Right.
Yeah, it's the hardest part.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
It's a nice cut. It's so like square.
Oh.
Cut that.
Just like that part right there.
Yeah. So we.
So it can like split apart, you know?
Mhm.
The question is,
I don't know
No.
if we can cut more here.
Yeah, I think
this
that's
is
it.
stuck.
So you got this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
More down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cavity. Use a set to separate.
One is gonna split this like this. The other one's gonna take the scalpel. Scalpel is all the work. Don't force it down through it. One root through here like this. and then keep following that route, just gently until you split the sternum.
Don't drop your phone.
I'll put this on the group, all right?
Alright.
Somebody hold it like this, and the other person comes.
I don't know if I put the last one, but I'll send it to the group chat.
And he said want something like, what is it? It's a blunt end.
Yeah, I don't think I got that. Is it this?
No.
Or this?
No.
No, I'm not gonna hold the scalpel backward.
Two different sides.
Right,
No,
that's the
one second,
pericardial
because
sac.
you can cut in that way.
Okay, you can see the heart right here. And the pericardial sac that was in there's the pericardial fluid.
There you go.
Okay, so you can see all that.
Try to cut it first. Try to cut it.
Here's the diaphragm. See the diaphragm, heart, liver, stomach. Pancreas,
I'm worried of,
intestines. Unfortunately, this is where they injected the pig. You just ignore this. Okay, and make an incision from the skin whiskers straight down to meet your other incision. And then start to gently open that up. All right, make sure that you don't, and what you're looking for the larynx, which is a thick little round.
Okay, this one is done.
marble thing.
Yeah, this one is
From the larynx,
good.
you see the trachea.
We did it.
Fluid, which was nice. And they did this just by gently coming down and splitting the sternum. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. Now, the other thing I want to point out here, this is something you have to try to preserve if you can. See this right here? Does everybody see it?
Yeah, what is that?
That's the thymus. That's part of the thymus. The thymus is enormous in a fetus. Okay, so that's part of the thymus, not part of the heart. We'll find the rest of the thymus when we go up into the neck. Now, in the neck, this is where they injected the dyes. You can just ignore that. This is the chin whiskers here. You got to make an incision to open up the neck, straight down like this to meet the other incision. You have to very carefully go through this. The first things that are going to appear, you're going to see the larynx, which looks like a marble, and then the trachea is going to be attached to it. So you have to very carefully go through the layers here. You can use what we call blunt dissection. You can put the back of the blade in here and spread the tissues like this. Okay, so that you don't, and especially right here. Right here, you're gonna, that's the top of the sternum. Do you see the two pieces of cartilage right there? 1 and 2? You can, if you can't visualize it, you can feel it. All you have to do is touch it with the scalpel and you can feel the hardness of that. That we've got to split. And we split it and we go up into the neck, we're going to see all the major, hopefully we're going to see all the major vessels. All right, everybody got that?
Complete? No. Oh yeah, no, it's complete.
yeah, so connect to the superior portion of the heart cavity.
Gently, gently.
Mm-hmm.
This tissue here is the thymus. There's the pericardial sac. And really a good visualization of that. Here's the top of the sternum.
What you want to name the pig?
Pedro.
It's gonna name Bacon.
We need to join. More bit?
Just gently deepen the tissues aside of the stomach. You're going to see the larynx,
But this one is the bone.
and you're going to see the airway. There's going to be a
Oh,
lot
there's
of
you see
here.
the dye?
Mm-hmm.
Some of it, you can get a picture up here, try to get the picture of the thymus. The rest of the thymus is going to be up in here, so try not to damage that. Move the thymus aside.
More?
You see one of the jugulars right here. See that? That's a jugular.
Suppose no?
Right, so open the neck, that's very careful.
Look. This has to be visible, so try not to cut too much in the middle.
That's the diaphragm. Yeah. No, this looks good. No.
I think you already cut.
No, but we can see that one.
No, that's the other incision.
Sorry, I can't see.
Be careful with your fingers.
Please don't cut me, I'll cry.
There you go.
Yeah, it's just like, hold on, it's so like hard to hold. Wait, hold on.
With the
I'll hold it. Do you have a clamp?
Excuse me.
no, let me show you.
The sternum ends right about here. There we go. Here are vessels in here. All right, the next thing to do
Where through the bone, for sure.
extend the neck like this when you do this. There's the whiskers. You want to meet that incision. So come down like that. And you're going to deepen this very carefully and pull the skin out. Okay, work down on both sides. As you get down toward
More?
trachea, pull the picture. You can see the thymus on either side. Separate the thymus from the other soft tissue. And then when we work around the thymus, we should be able to see.
I
the
think we are good, no?
Be very careful. Yeah, well, you could, yeah.
I don't know.
No, this part right here.
Professor, did I miss this cutoff? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little upset, that's all.
We can just do the other side, right?
Huh?
Just do the other side. Right here.
Oh, you can see the
Mhm.
Oh, you just stabbed that one. Thank God it's dead. Hold on, and then now, you wanna like spread it open? See if there's anything.
See all this? That tissue there? That's the thymus. So you want to dissect so you can see some of the thymus. The whole pericardial sac is intact here. You can cut into it.
No, where I do all of this every day, man, when I open the chest.
That would be present.
Yeah.
See that pink thing? That's the thyroid.
Okay.
The lump up in here is the larynx. This is all thymus. So this is thymus, this is thymus. This is a very large thyroid. Right behind this is the trachea, which runs down to the lungs. There's the pulmonary trunk. Now, it's hard to see. And plus, you're standing in the one spot in this lab that doesn't have good light. Do you see another vessel behind the pulmonary trunk? See it right there? Yeah, that's the aorta. Okay. Everybody gather around this pig. This pig happens to have an enormous thymus on both sides that we've been trying to dissect away here. This blade is dull. You need to change this blade. As we move the thymus out of the way, this is the thymus over the heart too down here. That's thymus over the heart. As we move this out of the way, thyroid. There's a very large thyroid in this pig. All right, so you got the larynx, the trachea, the thyroid. You've got two pieces of the thymus over here. Now, the other thing I wanted to point out, here's a major vessel right here. See that vessel? What is that?
I can't see.
It's coming from the right heart. What is it? That's the pulmonary trunk. If you go in here like this and you use the back of the blade to move this out of the way, that's the aorta.
You said the thyroid was where?
That's the thyroid right there.
Oh,
See this?
big.
Yeah. In this pig, it's really large. Most of them aren't that big.
But he was saying be very careful because down there
Cut
there's a
down.
blue
Cut
vein,
down.
it's a jugular vein. You don't want that.
Why not? It's in the, it's not like there's, it has blood now.
Probably because he wants to.
Yeah, I want to slow that. Okay. I'm ready to make
But he
it.
really like opened it up.
With this cover something good. You get the best pig.
See this here? That's all thymus. There's the thyroid. You see it? See that?
No, it's for you, no?
There's a quadrant. And the jugular vein. Now, keep following this down. You're going to come to the brachiocephalic vein, and then you're going to go come to this area right here. This is the side. Yeah, you do. There's the jugular.
It is currently 10:30. We got 21 minutes of this.
Over here is the jugular. Over here you got the jugular in. If you're real careful over here about cutting, split the rest of the sternum.
She's getting
There's the
it.
brachiocephalic vein.
She ain't
Even
afraid.
need me.
She
If
just
anyone wants
wants
to see some blood vessels, come over here.